Hi guys, hi folks, hi amigos. Presenting you NAMRATH anything and everything. This video is all about top jobs for the future. Let us look what is there. The first one comes at loss of humanity, and that is robot manufacturer and service management. It is followed by big data and AI scientists. Everything starts here. The pretty much interesting is artificial bodies manufacturer. How much can be removed from your body and still be you? Make a guess. It is followed by gene designer. Another interesting stuff. I'm watching you. It is nothing but cybersecurity and private data brokerage. Hallucination. It's virtual world designer. Why so serious? When there are just robots, entertainment is required. And again, psychologists and therapists. The new name of the game is raw materials management. Big industry in future. 8 billion population. Because of that, real estate developer comes into the picture. As man, woman get greedy to make money, elderly care and life management takes the birth. Safe bet is biochemistry and tech engineers. At last, small jobs don't need AI will be in huge demand. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.